In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to log in Roblox PlayStation 5. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Signing into a pre-existing account on Roblox for the PlayStation 5 or even creating a new one is extremely simple. You will be able to do this immediately after you download the latest version of Roblox from the PlayStation Store. So when you find Roblox under your library of games, open it up and you should see a screen similar to this, where you have the two main options that I mentioned previously in this video. You can either sign up for a new Roblox account and the option to log in. Now, according to the title of this video, I'm going to assume that you already have an account and you simply want to know how to log in. So choose the secondary option and then you will be able to choose between using your username and password to sign in or scanning a QR code. Now, the username and password is the most straightforward way to get into your account. Just include your username and password, and if they match and they are valid and legitimate, you will log into your account. All of your friends will be there, all of the experiences will be transported over, you can see your avatar, and you can simply play as if you were on any other platform with all of your progress being transferred over. Alternatively, if the username and password are not working for you, you can also use the QR code. This is going to be especially useful if you also have Roblox installed on your phone. So regardless of whether you have an Android or iOS device, open Roblox and in there you will have the quick login option. By using quick login, your camera will appear and you can scan this QR code that is being displayed on your TV when you run Roblox to your PlayStation 5. By having it scanned, you are going to be signed into the same account that you are using on your mobile device, so you can also use this if you don't want to type the entirety of your username and password. I hope I was able to help you on how to log in Roblox and PlayStation 5. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.